Hey everyone, it's Angie and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a quick and easy and affordable DIY perfume or makeup stand. I'm using 2 cutting boards from Dollar Tree and then 2 candlestick holders from Dollar Tree as well. They were each $1.25, so this project was about $5 total. So these cutting boards from Dollar Tree are very thick glass, so they're very durable and they can withstand the weight of perfume bottles or makeup bottles. I am going to use the E6000 glue to adhere both of the candlesticks to the cutting boards. Now, I did not measure this and I'm just kind of eyeing where the center is. And if you can tell, I kind of paused during putting the glue on here because I realized that I was placing it on the wrong part first, but luckily it worked out because I was able to twist and turn the candlestick holder how I wanted to without having it glued down already. And you'll see that in the next little segment or the next clip. So my apologies for being out of frame for a second, but in a second you will see how I was able to wipe the excess glue off of the candlestick holders and turn it. If it was glued down to the cutting board, I would not have been able to turn it. So thank God for having a ram in the bush for me. It worked out in my favor. The reason for me placing the candlestick holders in this manner is so that I could have more room on the base of the cutting board and have the thicker part of the candle holders in the middle to kind of distribute the weight that may have been from the top cutting board. I just didn't want it to wobble. It seemed more secure this way, and then it gave me more room on the base of the cutting board to put more bottles of perfume. Now I'm going to add glue to the bottom part of the candlestick holder, which I should have done in the first place, but it worked out in my favor. And then I'm just going to place it down. Like I said, I'm not measuring it. I'm just kind of eyeballing it to see where it fits best. And it took about maybe 6 hours to completely dry, or at least 6 hours before I started to play around with it. And you'll see that clip as well coming up. So now I'm going to add some glue to the top and then put on the top cutting board. And basically I'm finished after that. But I am going to come back and show you how you can flip it or how you can put your perfume on there and how it still looks really good and really cute and dainty. It looks even and ready to go, so I'm going to place a bottle of water on top just to kind of help make everything stick properly. And maybe in about 6 hours, I'll check back. Here we are. This is the finished product, and I'm going to lift it up to show you how sturdy it is. This thing is really heavy, and you can see the clear bumpers on the top and the bottom. And I did do this purposely so that it was reversible. So if I did have to take this and put this anywhere, it didn't matter which direction I placed it in, because either way it would still have the bumpers on the bottom and on the top if I wanted to flip-flop it. And I'm just showing you how easy it is to turn it and flip it, and it still looks the exact same. Moment of truth. Now on this particular display, I have added a organizer and just the less expensive perfumes. I put them on here. Those are smaller bottles just to kind of show you what all you can fit on here. And I have some discovery sets at the back just to kind of give you an idea of what size this is. And they're just resting there just for decorations for this particular video. But it's also just to give you an idea how much space there is there. I may or may not keep them. This organizer is not glued down, so it is removable. I'm going to put a different one up, I believe, in the next video with the more expensive bottles. If not, just know that there's multiple ways you can use this. Now here's the more expensive bottles, and I did put a different organizer on there. As you can see, I have my sample sets, and then I have the roller bottles and the samples inside of the little lipstick case thing. But I do have my little miniature bottles on top and then the bigger bottles on the bottom. So this thing is really versatile. You can put as many or as little bottles as you want that can fit on there comfortably. But yeah, and this is the Rebla floor bottle, which is really tall, and it even fits underneath there. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching.